When you look at us, there is that kind of feeding. When you're on the farm, you should have such plants, the tobacco, a small garden where pigs can get out and they play around. I know people in towns may not have big land, but at least us who are in the village, we have that kind of land. So always ensure that you leave some piece of land to make the pigs go out, they play, they have that kind of soil, they eat, they get the iron, so that you don't have pigs which are weak in immunity. They should always be strong in the immune system. As you can see, this pig is digging its soil to eat. When you have pigs, you should ensure that they have some soil every time. There is a lot of iron in here, especially if the pig is pregnant. They should have the soil. Now this is the male. Once in a while, that is almost every Sunday, we bring them out, make them play around, and they like it. You can see, they love it so much. They have to play. You give them some water, you pour them some water, they need to play. They enjoy it. They love it so much. So you can imagine, if it's this soil, give it the water, that means your piggery will have resistant, strong pigs. This is not hybrid. This is a mixture of Kambla and a local pig. That means this is a breed that grows a little bit faster, but again, it can be fed on these local feeds. It can be fed on anything. You can see it is a good size. Look at it. And it is nicely wagging. So this is what we call the bath of a pig. You may think you are giving it water. You may think you're giving it everything it needs, but this is what it needs, the water. To cool down the fat. The pig has a lot of fats. So when you give it the water, you make it swim, you make it the bathe. It makes life easier. You cannot have the ticks, you cannot have the fleas, because you wash it. Yeah. As you can see, we try our best to ensure that we have our garden left. A little bit of part of the garden is left so that the pigs can have what to play from. Here we bring the greens, then we feed them from here. This is our part that we feed them from. This is where we give our pigs what they need, the nutritional value of greens. The greens give them a little bit of immune system. It is boosted so that They cannot have the weak body to get infections here and then. When we talk of piggery, we mean the piggery is a project that you can run with or without money. With some money, you can buy a piglet, of course, and you must have money anyway. But when you bring the pig at home, it's upon you to buy the feeds or to make the feeds. I'm talking about this starter farmer who has very little money to do his own projects. Let's say you have maybe 200,000 Ugandan shillings. You may come at my farm, I give you one of these piglets. When I give you one at 100,000, you're able to make a simple structure using simple wood around so that you can have a pigsty where you put your piggery, where you put your small pig. Then you put it on a free range. You go and bring for it the greens to eat. That's the grass. So when you give it the grass, the pig will grow. Of course, grass cannot be the only feed you give to your pigs. You must supplement that grass with maybe soybean and maybe silverfish. That's simple protein that you put in so that your pigs grow. As I spoke of now, these pigs, they were only 3. 4 months ago, they were only 3. The male and 2 females. But you can see, I'm over now 18 pigs. That means you can grow a farm in a simple way. Grow a farm. You too can start a farm. Don't say I can't. Try to convince yourself. Encourage yourself. You too can start a farm. When they are finished eating, they just always know where they stay. Because you get them used, you just beat them up, or if you just push them out of the house, they get out, so then you push them in the back. They know where they stay, you can see. They're just flowing, each one, each house. Looking at these pigs, you look at them as if they are very dirty. These are dirty pigs indeed. But they are not dirty. They are from bathing. I usually tell people when you come to buy pigs here and you find we are from just bathing, you may not buy any. Because you may think we have the worst pigs on the earth. But these ones, they are just satisfied, they are resting, they are just bathed. Life is cool. Because a pig wants that kind of coldness. The fat is too much. Pigs have a lot of fat. But this my male pig is limping a little. So we encourage you to give them vitamin D. And when you are rebuilding your structure, let there be sunlight entering inside so that they can get vitamin D to avoid rickets. So I saw it in the morning limping. I was like, no, it must be a problem. So that's why I put it outside to at least stretch a little. And we'll see what next. This is a family that is here now. We are here with these my girls, these my boys, these are my friends, and they have come from outside. They are looking okay. This is us.